Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Nuzhat Rahman and I am going to deliver you chapter 8 algebraic expression exercise 8.4. In this exercise we will learn about how to multiply binomial with binomial and trinomial. Previously we have learned about binomial and trinomial. A binomial is a polynomial in which we have two terms and a trinomial is a polynomial in which we have three terms. There are two methods to adopt to find the product of two or more than two polynomials. So, the product means to multiply. What are these two methods? Number 1, row-wise multiplication and number 2, column-wise multiplication. Question number 1, multiply. Part number 4 is p minus q multiplied with p square plus pq plus q square. Move towards its solution. Here we use row-wise multiplication. First, p will be multiplied with this whole factor and then minus q will be multiplied with this whole factor. So, p into p square plus pq plus q square minus q into p square plus pq plus q square. p into p square, p cube. Why? Because when the bases are same, powers will be added, as base is p and over here p has the power 1, over here p has the power 2. So, 2 plus 1, 3. So, p into p square, p cube plus p into pq, p square q plus p into q square, pq square minus p square into q, pq square minus pq into q, pq square minus q into q square, q cube. In this step, students, you can see that plus p square q and minus p square q will be cancelled because they are like terms but with the opposite signs. So, that's why they are cancelled. How? As we know that 1 minus 1 will be 0. Same is the case over here. Plus p square q minus p square q will be 0. And plus pq square minus pq square are like terms with the opposite sign. So, they are also cancelled. So, we left with p cube minus q cube, which is the required answer. Move towards part number 10. Which is 2x minus 1 multiplied with 4x square plus 2x plus 1. So, first of all 2x multiplied with 4x square plus 2x plus 1 over here, then minus 1 multiplied with 4x square plus 2x plus 1. 2 4s are 8, x into x square, x cube plus 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square plus 2x 1 times 2x minus 4x square 1 times 4x square minus 2x into 1 2x minus 1 ones are 1. In this step you can see plus 4x square and minus 4x square will be cancelled and same with plus 2x and minus 2x will be cancelled. And what we left with? We left with 8x cube minus 1, which is the required answer. Question number 2, simplify. Part number 1 is x square plus y square into 3x plus 2y plus xy into x minus 3y. So, x square multiplied with 3x plus 2y plus y square multiplied with 3x plus 2y plus xy multiplied with x plus minus xy multiplied with 3y. 3x into x square we get 3x cube plus as it is 2y into x square we get 2x square y plus 3x into y square we get 3xy square plus 2y into y square we get 2y cube plus x into xy x square y minus 3xy square. Now we see plus 3xy square and minus 3xy square are same but with the opposite signs. So, that's why they will be cancelled. In the next step, we left with 3x cube plus 2x square y plus x square y plus 2y cube. As 2x square y plus x square y are like terms. Why? Because bases are same with the same power but with different coefficients. So, we get 3x cube 2 plus 1 3 x square y plus 2y cube. Part number 3 is 2m square minus 5m plus 4 into m plus 2 minus m square plus 7m minus 8 into 2m minus 3. So we will multiply each of the term with the terms of the second bracket one by one. So first term is 2m square into m minus 5m into m plus 4 into m, again plus 2m square into 2 minus 5m into 2 plus 4 into 2 minus, as it is, we put the square or box bracket over here, m square into 2m, then 7m into 2m minus 8 into 2m plus m square into minus 3 over here plus 7m into minus 3, this is, and minus 8 into minus 3. The box bracket will be closed. For the next step, 2m square into m, we get 2m cube minus 5m into m, 5m square plus 4 into m, we get 4m plus 2 2s are 4 m square minus plus minus 5 2s are 10m plus 4 into 2 will get 8 minus, as it is, square bracket as it is, 2m into m square we get 2m cube, 7 2s are 14, m into m square, so we get 14m square, then minus plus minus 8 2s are 16 and m will be written as it is, so 8 2s are 16m, again plus minus minus 3 into m square minus 3m square plus minus minus 3 7s are 21m minus minus plus 8 3s are 24, closing the square bracket. In the next step, 2m cube minus 5m square plus 4m square minus 10m plus 8 as it is. Now we'll open the bracket and we'll change the sign. Why? Because we have negative sign outside the bracket. Because of this minus sign, all the signs inside the bracket will be changed. So minus plus minus 2m cube, minus plus minus 14m square, minus minus plus 16m, minus minus plus 3m square, minus minus plus 21m, minus plus minus 24. So over here you can see 2m cube and this 2m cube are the same terms but with the opposite sign. As this is positive, this is negative, so that's why they are cancelled. In the next step, we have to write the like terms together. Minus 5m square plus 4m square minus 14m square plus 3m square, as they have the same variable with the same powers. Again plus 4m minus 10m plus 16m plus 21m, they are the like terms. Again minus 24 plus 8, these are the constant values, so they will be written together. Now over here students, you can see minus 5 plus 4, we get minus 1 m square as it is. We don't write 1 as coefficient because we know that when there is no coefficient with any variable, the coefficient will be 1. So minus 5 plus 4 will be 1 m square. Minus 14 plus 3, we get minus 11 m square. Plus 4m minus 10m, we get minus 6m. Plus 16 plus 21m, we get plus 21 plus 16, 37m. Minus 24 plus 8 minus plus minus 24 minus 8 will be 16, and the sign is with the greatest value, that is negative. That's why we put negative sign over here. Again minus minus plus, but the greatest value has the negative sign, so we will put minus over here. 11 plus 1, 12m square. Plus minus minus 37 minus 6, we get plus 31m minus 16, which is the required answer. Okay students, this is the end of exercise 8.4. I hope you have understood the lecture. You have to do the remaining parts of question number 1 and 2 by yourself, so that you can have the practice of these questions, as maths is all about practice. Thank you so much.